huh? Now I will give you candies of the nature. Okay.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. What color is that?
Red.
Good. And what color is that?
Green.
Nectarine. What color is that?
Red.